Ponds are meant to be vibrant centers of life, full of plants, fishes, and wildlife. But today, many ponds are polluted, murky, and lifeless. Traditional cleaning methods are costly, need frequent repetition, and often disturb the natural ecosystem. So, with this, we've built a solution, VitaLOTUS. Inspired by lotus, which stays pure even in muddy waters, VitaLOTUS naturally clean ponds, removing toxins and impurities. It restores clear, sparkling water, revives plant and animal life, and brings back the beauty and balance of ecosystem. Device features 5 petals, each meticulously coated with graphene. This graphene layer ensures enhanced sunlight absorption, driving efficient energy use throughout the purification process, while also aiding in the breakdown of contaminants. Each petal is composed of moringa seeds and hemp powder, which provides a natural and effective means of water purification. At the heart of the lotus sits a high tech central hub equipped with sensors for monitoring key water quality parameters such as pH, turbidity, and temperature. Okay, so now let's move on to the practical demonstration of our model created and tested in SolidWorks.
See, the outer structure here resembles a lotus, not just for aesthetics but also for functional inspiration. So now we'll show you the working mechanism of this machine. So here the polluted water enters through the system called suction pump installed at the bottom part of the lotus. The pump pulls floating waste like plastic, leaves and other debris. The waste gets collected in a bucket-like structure attached below the flower. The filtered water then flows upward through the stem where a mini water motor is installed. This pump pushes the clean water through the central funnel, creating a fountain like water jet, improving water circulation and oxygen in the pond. Now, with this, we have also integrated multiple sensors and an AI core. So, the components are Raspberry Pi, which is the brain of our system, which is attached at the tip of the petal. It processes the data from all sensors and controls motor movement, image processing, and decision making. Then pH sensors, which is also attached below the funnel, it monitors the water quality by measuring pH levels. Camera module, which will capture the real-time images and video of the pond surface. Then ultrasonic sensors, which will be used for obstacle detection and avoidance, ensuring smooth navigation without hitting pond walls, plants, or animals. Then there will be a DC motor which will drive the movement of cleaner across the pond's surface, enables forward, backward, and directional movement covering a wide area efficiently. Then there will be a servo motor or a rhino motor which will be used for rotational control like adjusting the direction of suction or camera angle. Then there will be a rechargeable battery which will provide power to the entire system. So in this way, we've roughly designed the model or prototype.